Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users have complained about the iPhone showing charging but battery percentage not increasing issues. There are several reasons why this happens, and it could be due to software bugs and batteries or hardware issues. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Clean your charging port. If your iPhone is showing charging but not increasing the battery percentage, it might be time to clean out the charging port. Use dry cotton swab or toothpick to carefully dislodge any dirt or debris from the port. You can also blow compressed air into the port to further clean it out. Solution 2. Turn off battery percentage and turn it on again. For that, go to Settings app on your iPhone. Find and tap on Battery. Turn off battery percentage. Then wait for a few seconds and turn it back again. Solution 3. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 8, 10, 11, 13, 14 and iPhone SE second and third generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 4. Update your iPhone. To do this, open the Settings app. Find and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. To check for updates and choose the latest version, click on Download and install to start the updating process. Make sure to keep your charger plugged in throughout the process. Solution 5. Reset all settings. To do this, go to Settings app. Find and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, select Reset all settings. Again, select Reset all settings to confirm this process. Solution 6. Contact Apple support. If none of the procedures has succeeded in fixing your iPhone problem, saying it's charging but it's not an issue, you will probably need an expert to fix it for you. So, you will need to take your iPhone to a local Apple store. The technician will identify the problem and help you resolve it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.